It's so cramped back here. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at upgrading this machine here. So today is its third birthday since it's been set up. This thing got set up on December 28th, 2018, and 2021 marks the third birthday for this thing. So we'll be putting in some Timetech, and this is 8 gigabytes of DDR4, 2400 megahertz. We got an iFixit toolkit here. This is the beginner one or whatever. Yeah, we're gonna be upgrading the RAM here. So first, I'm just gonna make sure the machine's off. First of all, I think it might be on. Is it? No, it's off. Yes, it's on. So first, make sure you shut your machine down, because you don't want that on while you're servicing components. How not to repair your machine. Just wait for it. There we go. And now we can flip her over and start unscrewing some screws. PH1 screwdriver is generally a good kind of idea. I honestly don't know if you guys can see the computer or not. Let's go check. I'm gonna be checking multiple times throughout the video to make sure you guys can perfectly see the machine. Alright, whatever. Alright, so PH1. Might be maybe PH0, whatever. You just don't want to strip these out. Go and remove all these screws here. Which, by the way, for you guys in the Northeastern Bus Productions channel, this will be also uploaded to my fully edited channel too. So yeah, there's gonna be I just put those together. They're the same exact screw. For those of you guys on the Northeastern Bus Productions channel, this machine right here, the Optiplex 320, I still haven't returned it back to the school yet. And yeah, I gotta do that. It's just been sitting here doing nothing, and it still works perfectly fine. So yeah. And I'm not sure if the school's gonna be throwing it out. I don't know. But if I destroyed it, they're gonna all the other machines in my class got destroyed anyway. Mine was like the one of few that survived in the tech support internship class. Alright. Start with this side facing toward you. Pry up. This has been taken apart before. I replaced the battery on this thing back in September because it really, I would have waited till here, and I would have waited till then, but battery life was just so awful on this thing, and I kind of like my battery. I like using this thing as a tablet when I can, because this is a 2-in-1 machine. Didn't really want to flip this thing over because it messes up the view for the video. Oops, sorry about that. Let's see what... These tabs here are always a little bit stubborn. On this machine. I'm not sure why. I don't know, it's like these tabs. just stick your one tab right here. There you go. Alright. Set that aside. I don't have any room whatsoever. And this is what the inside of this machine looks like here. Let me just make sure that the camera can see what's going on. I'm going to disconnect the battery. This battery is always such a pain to disconnect. I guess you are here. Make sure my stupid head doesn't get in the way. Come on, pop out. I guess I have to remove my battery. I don't exactly remember how the battery replacement went last time. So we'll go and remove the battery out here. These are 4 totally separate screws here. Generally, this laptop is pretty easy to work on. It's got all screws, there's no stupid tabs really. Alright. That's not good. Let me go and pop this out. God, that connector's welded solid in there. What did I do to this thing? Why isn't it so effing hard? This is why long nails are so useful when working on electronics. Because I don't know why this thing will come out. Could be just the way I'm going on it. Wasn't there like tape or something on here? Yeah, oh, there we go. Yeah, that's right, there's tape on here. Just pulling straight out. There we go. I don't know why that was so tight. But there we go, that's the new battery I put in. It's kind of dead, I guess. Touchpad, look at the touchpad cable, it does not look healthy. Touchpad still works fine, so I don't know. That's pretty cute. But yeah, it won't be lasting for too long. Alright, our RAM. Can you guys see everything okay? Maybe if I just move it over a little bit. Yeah. I'm not gonna put a knife to my RAM. So I honestly don't know how this RAM opens. Okay, I see. Ooh, here we go, the real stuff. Am I taking good care of my RAM? Absolutely not. In fact, I don't even know. So there's one slot right there. And this should just fit right in. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing at all here. I've upgraded laptop RAM before, so it's not unheard of to me. Oh yeah, here we go. Pushing it a little bit farther. There we go. Okay, that was simpler than I thought. Let's hope that it actually works. There you go, RAM upgraded. One sticker battery back, and let's pray that touchpad still works. I believe it's this end facing up. Again, I'm not sure if you guys can see what the hell I'm doing or not. Oh yeah, you guys can. Not. Of course, this cable's going to be there we go. Missing about having long nails. Now, I know this isn't Intel, or I'm not Intel, what was the other kind of RAM I saw at the store? Oh, you know what? One more. One other thing. We'll see how dusty our heatsink is. Those have two little screws of its own here. But we'll see how dusty that heatsink is. It's actually really not too bad. The fan's a little bit dusty, but nothing that will. Yeah, no, it's not. It's not too bad. It's probably okay. Heatsink. Don't really have the tools to take this all out right now. So yeah, this is where the air comes out right there. I'm gonna put this thing back in. I start putting it back together. I don't want to turn this thing any further. I just want it to work. I haven't really been having a ton of heating up issues on this machine. Fan's kind of loud, but it's always been that way, even from the factory. That's just what this machine does, so whatever. So, yeah, we got our RAM in. screwing the screws to our battery. I almost forgot about that. We're going to do that. Battery screw 1. Battery screw 2. Battery screw 3. And battery screw 4. Which, by the way, this battery's still working great. Wait, is the battery not connected right now? I swear to God, I made this mistake last time, didn't I, too? I absolutely did make this mistake last time. I actually filmed it. I actually filmed the full wrongdoing of it. It was a nice Wednesday that day. All the windows were open. Or no, it's in there. Okay. I just wanted to make sure I'm not crushing any cables. Because that would be bad. Not to have a working battery. I'm not sure. Yeah, these screws are exactly the same. You guys see okay? Yeah. It's not easy to film these videos because I'm crammed in such a tight space here. I only have a 10 by 10 bedroom here. Makes a great little magnet. That's the way I close the machine. I have a 10 by 10 room here, and yeah, it's pretty cramped in this particular spot. But I try to make this into like a little bit of a filming studio. Well, I got an outlet strip back here with a 15 amp breaker on it, which I have blown before, so I'm kind of happy it has it. Alright, and yeah, these are the screws to put the machine together. Alright, reach back here, back cover it. I'm gonna make sure no screws didn't fall in here. A lot of times screws like to stick to the magnets, that's kind of annoying. Make sure I also put it in the correct way as well. This one's got like a little mesh on it. This one doesn't have that mesh because the mesh meets on there. I think that's the correct. There we go. There we go. Alright. Let's screw back in these million screws here. Then this machine will have 16 gigabytes of RAM, which is actually quite enough. This thing supports a maximum of 32 gigs, but I only put it to 16 because right now RAM is expensive as it is, and for all I know this RAM might be defective. I'm really praying that it's not, because that would really suck. Oh, it sucks so bad. All the screws are just sticking to the machine. Last couple. If you guys can see it or not. Alright. There you go, one more tab. Let's go and flip over the machine. It's she posts. Hey, it posts. Okay. Good. So we're going to go straight to the BIOS. And we'll see if we have confirmed 16 gigs of. I think it's going to go to the BIOS, yeah. Some information. Here we go. 16 gigs. Now we're in dual channel mode. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Else I could probably just pick up the camera and do this. Yeah, so now we've got 16 gigabytes of dual channel memory. So there we go. Actually seems to be quite a bit slower, actually. It's a bit confused. Let's do a quick check-in. Check out that, boys. 16 gigabytes of RAM. And this machine is, instead of using half of it, it's only using 20%. Less than, no, 20%. Pretty nice. So, that's done successfully. As always, hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next one. Bye, guys.